Hi everybody, it's me Vicky. This is a requested video today to cook on my channel, and on my giveaway it was requested that I do more cooking videos, and here we go. Now for those of you who do not know, I do have a cooking channel here on YouTube, and I will attach that link on the description box below if you are interested in seeing me cook all types of different types of foods. Check it out on the link, okay? Now with that being said, right now what I'm showing you guys is the chicken hook. Okay, this is the hook that you hook on your roasted chicken. That's what I'm going to make today, roasted chicken. And this hook right here, this hook is amazing. It really cooks the chicken really good. If you guys don't know what this is, definitely guys look it up, try it. I have used this a couple of times, and oh my god, my chicken comes out really moist and very delicious. So with that being said, tonight I love to marinate my chicken, and ta-da! So this is my roasted chicken. As you can see, it's really seasoned and it's been marinating all night. So you know what that means. It's going to be so good, because it's always a good idea to marinate your chicken first. You do not have to marinate it all night, but I did, because when I do it all night, oh my god, the flavor is amazing. It sits in that chicken all night, and when you cook it, OMG. So I will get started, okay?